Hello, my name is Ray Franklin. I'm the Senior Commodity Analyst for Energy Professionals. Today's video is a summary of my January 22nd energy update, in which I'm going to explain why, if you have not already hedged your costs of natural gas or electricity, we recommend taking advantage of the short-term decline triggered by this year's January Thaw and reserve energy to be available when your present agreements expire. In our January 8th energy update, we pointed out that since 2000, natural gas has declined 4 times to where it was in 2023, and the average price was always higher long-term. And although periodically there will be short-term pullbacks, we believe the average price of natural gas will be higher from 2024 through 2026. We also pointed out in our January 8th energy update that similar to 2020 and 2021, natural gas rallied into the fall prior to declining in response to warmer than normal weather in November and December, and then rallying into 2024 in anticipation of colder weather in January. After the cold weather did arrive in January, it was culminated with a polar vortex, with many areas in the United States experiencing sub-zero temperatures. But after the polar vortex, the cold wave was unexpectedly followed by a January thaw, with much warmer than normal weather expected until the end of January. And as you would expect, after declining into November and December, natural gas's rally into 2024 was short-circuited by the unexpected January thaw. But it is important to look at this latest decline from a long-term perspective. From a long-term perspective, we know that since 2000, when natural gas was as low as it was in 2023, the average price was always higher long-term. Therefore, past history tells us we are likely in the early stage of a bull market cycle. And we also know during the winter heating season, natural gas prices are very sensitive to weather changes. And when you're in the early stage of a bull market cycle, it's always wise to take advantage of a short-term decline caused by unexpected changes in the weather. Therefore, if you've not already hedged your cost of natural gas or electricity, we recommend taking advantage of this latest short-term decline caused by this year's January thaw. We believe the average price will be higher long-term, and the upside risk is far greater than the downside reward potential of waiting hoping for slightly lower prices. We realize not every client's risk tolerance and hedging strategy are the same, but hopefully today's report helps you put into perspective your risk-reward opportunities. And we invite you to call one of our energy analysts to plan your hedging strategy that'll be appropriate for your situation. And until my next report, please take care.